Hi, thanks for watching this video from Dubber Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have another Mark 1 Audi TT 3.2 DSG. So we do sell quite a lot of these. This one we've actually sold previously twice before. Both customers have had them, I think one had it 2 years and one had it 3 years. And then when they were selling it, they've offered it back to us. So really nice car, massive service history with it. DSG gearbox was last replaced at 99k, oil and filter. We'll put all the details of the service history on the ad. Really nice clean car. Will be supplied with 12 months MOT, parts and labour warranty. As with all our cars, the HPI clear. It's got the bose with it as well. It's getting quite sought after now and quite hard to find. So it's the Glacier Blue with the grey leather interior. Nice standard car, standard wheels, standard exhaust and everything else on it. As with all our cars, if you've got any questions or you'd like to arrange a viewing, just give us a call or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.